Archie.
Whoa. He can talk.
You can talk.
Digby can talk.
I don't believe it.
Believe it.
He's a bachelor dog and a four-legged cock. He's Digby the dog and